Cell division includes division of the nucleus, called mitosis, and division of the cytoplasm, called cytokinesis. Mitosis is further broken down into 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Prophase is the longest phase of mitosis. Prophase is when chromatin begins to condense into the shape of chromosomes, and the nucleolus disappears. The previously replicated DNA coils tightly into sister chromatids. For the first time, you see individual chromosomes. In the center of each chromosome, a centromere attaches the sister chromatids together. Meanwhile, in the cytoplasm, microtubules, known as spindle fibers, begin to fan out from 2 sets of paired structures, called centrioles. The spindle fibers elongate as the centrioles begin moving to opposite sides or poles of the cell. While this is happening, the nuclear membrane surrounding the nucleus disappears. Now that chromosomes are no longer separated from the cytoplasm, the opposite ends of the spindle fibers can attach to the centromeres. The centrioles complete their movement to the poles of the cell, while the spindle fibers line up the chromosomes along the equator of the cell. The end-to-end alignment of chromosomes results in a sister chromatid on either side of the equator. During anaphase, spindle fibers separate the sister chromatids at their centromere. Once separated from each other, each chromatid is called a chromosome. The single-stranded chromosomes form a V shape as the spindle fibers shorten and drag them through the gel-like cytoplasm. The chromosomes move to opposite poles of the cell toward their centromeres. In telophase, a nuclear membrane reforms around each set of chromosomes. Then, the chromosomes spread out into chromatin, and the nucleolus becomes visible once again. In animal cells, cytokinesis occurs through the inward movement of the cell membrane. This progressively pinches the cytoplasm until 2 identical daughter cells form. In contrast, plant cells can't pinch in 2 because they have a rigid cell wall surrounding their cell membrane. Instead, cell wall material assembles along the equator, forming a structure called the cell plate. The cell plate grows until it joins with the existing cell membrane, separating the 2 halves of the cell into daughter cells. Over time, new cell walls form between the 2 daughter cells.